Hello everyone, this is Justin from HelpWP. Today we are going to see how to use FAQ schema to increase your website's traffic. Not just by little bit, you can increase your traffic by 4x, 5x times. Let's get into the video. In my screen, you can see a Google search results page. This is a search result page like every other page. You can see the regular search results, and you can also see this section here, this section with some questions and answers. This section is called as an FAQ featured snippet section, and you can see several answers to many questions from many blog posts and many different sites. And if you can get your website's post or pages listed in this section, you can increase your traffic phenomenally. And you can do this with the help of FAQ schema. You should add FAQ schema to your site so that it increases the possibility of your web pages being listed in this FAQ featured snippet section. So this is my blog post. So if I search for my title, you can see that my blog post comes first in the search result, and also in the question answer area, you can see that my blog post comes up in this featured snippet area. I'm going to show you how you can get your web pages and blog posts listed in this FAQ snippet area. It becomes very easy if your website is built with WordPress. I'm going to use a WordPress plugin called Helpy FAQ plugin with FAQ schema. Let's do a Google search for Helpy FAQ plugin. You can see the first search result, Helpy FAQ WordPress plugin. So Helpy FAQ plugin is a free WordPress plugin so that anyone can download and use it totally free of cost. You can see that it comes with the FAQ schema. So if you are a WordPress beginner and you don't know how to install and activate WordPress plugins, you can check the link below in the description of the video for a tutorial on how to install and activate Helpy FAQ plugin. Before we move on to adding the question and answers using the FAQ plugin, let me tell you how to find the best questions. Finding the questions is very simple. If your query already has some FAQ snippets, what you have to do is just copy all these questions here and come up with some genuine answers that only you can answer. You simply shouldn't copy and paste from other posts. That will be plagiarism. You have to come up with your own answers. In the later part of this video, I will tell you how to find the best questions so that you have better chances of your pages and blog posts being featured by Google. But before that, let me simply tell you how to add FAQ schema to your website first. Here you can see that I've already prepared a list of question and answers that I got from the FAQ snippets. So what we have to do is we have to go and add all these question and answers to our post with the help of Helpy FAQ plugin. So now let's go to the WordPress admin dashboard of our WordPress website. This is the WordPress dashboard of our site, and here you can see that we have already installed and activated Helpy FAQ plugin. Here you can see add FAQ option. Click it. In this add new FAQ page, what you have to do is we have to copy and paste the question and answers that we have just prepared. Let me show you. Then you have to give a FAQ category. You can have any category. Now we have to publish it. Yeah, now our FAQ is published, and we can click on add new button. Add new button that you find on the top. Again, we have to repeat the process for all of the FAQ questions and answers. I've already added other questions and answers. Now we just have to go and embed all the FAQ questions and answers to our blog post. So this is our blog post. Let's press edit. This is the page that we have to edit. You can see the WordPress editor here, and on top you can see the add help FAQ shortcode button. What this button does is that it gives you a shortcode that you can insert anywhere on your page or post. With this shortcode you can embed the FAQ questions and answers with FAQ schema. So just go where you want to embed the FAQ and then press add help FAQ shortcode button. So here it gives you a lot of options that with which you can customize your FAQ section. So I'm choosing some options here, and then press insert shortcode. See, the shortcode will be inserted on in this page here. Then you can put it anywhere on the post where you want, post or page where you want. Now that we have added the FAQ shortcode, now let's save to draft, and let's preview how the post is going to look like. This is our post. See, the FAQ question and answers have a title. We can give any title, and you can see the question and answers are listed here in accordion form, where we can just open and close. You can see here that the question and answers which we wanted are all added to this post. But how do we know that the FAQ schema is implemented here? So Google has some tools that can check if we have schema or not. So we will first publish this post and see if this page has schema. Now this post is published with our newly added FAQs. Earlier I said there are tools. Let's see one by one. This is Google Structured Data Testing tool. So what we have to do is we have to copy and paste the URL here. So this will test the page for what all structured elements are there in our page. We can see, if we have received everything, you can see that there are several elements that are seen here, and at the bottom we can see that there is an FAQ page element here. So this tells us that we have successfully added schema to our page, FAQ schema to our page. There is also another tool called as rich results tool, so that this tool will tell us if our page is eligible for rich snippet results. So let's copy and paste the URL here. You can choose between a Google smartphone or a Google desktop. Let's choose desktop for now and click test. Yeah, now we have got our results. Again, this says that our page is eligible for rich results. All structured data on the page can generate rich results. You can preview the results, and it also tells us that we have an FAQ item here. So what we have to do is add our page to Google indexing. If your page is already added, you just need to update it for Google to index it again with the FAQ schema. Now since my page is already existing, I'm not clicking, but you just have to click request index, and the updates on your page will be indexed by Google. We have seen how to use FAQ schema in blog posts. I've been telling you that you can add it to any pages also. Especially it becomes very useful if you have a product or a business page. For example, if your product solves a particular problem or your business service solves a particular problem for a customers, you can add all these questions that your business or your product is solving as FAQs with schema, and you have much chances, you have high probability of Google indexing you in the FAQ snippet area. This will bring much traffic to your website. This is not some junk traffic, this is highly convertible traffic. Here you can see this in this Help FAQ Pro versions page. We have added an FAQ section here. So these are some questions that people have in their mind when searching for an FAQ solution. So we have added all the questions with answers here. This has FAQ schema, and this has much probability of being added to FAQ snippets in Google search results. You can do the same for your product page or your business page. And if you're having WooCommerce in your website, and if you're selling products with WooCommerce, it becomes especially handy, because Help FAQ allows you to add FAQs to your product pages, WooCommerce product pages. It gives you a tab near the description, reviews and more. You can add an FAQ tab, and you can add all the questions with answers. You can add questions regarding what problem your product solves, so that when people are searching for solutions to their problems, they can see that in the FAQ snippet area and directly come to your product page, and these people easily convert if they are satisfied with your product. So this gives you high valuable convertible traffic very easily. In a matter of few minutes, you can be eligible for this. You can do this easily. Adding FAQ schema only makes us eligible for Google to index our blog posts, but it doesn't necessarily promise us that our page will be added to the FAQ snippets. What can we do about that? How can we increase the probability of our blog posts and pages to be indexed in FAQ snippets? That we will see. You need to answer the questions that many people are searching for. And how can we find that out? We already seen how we can take questions from Google search results. To find more questions, we have to use some keyword research tools that are available online, and we have to find out the most asked questions. That then we have to add that to our blog post using Help FAQ plugin. Now we will see all the keyword tools that are available to find the questions that many people search for. And the first keyword tool which you are seeing here is Ahrefs. It's a premium keyword tool and it's my favorite tool. It is very accurate. Here you can say that I have searched for the keyword for my article, and it shows all the keyword volume, global volume and stuff like that here. And again, it has all the related keywords here. What's very interesting is that it has a questions column here. It has all the related questions that are related to my article. You can just click view all to see all the related questions. See, now we have got all the questions with the keyword difficulty and keyword volume. So you can copy all the questions and find the answers, then use Help FAQ page and insert them into your post or page. And the next tool we will see is Answer the Public tool here, and I have put my keyword here, and it's a very interesting tool. There's also a free version that you can use. This what I'm showing is a premium version. And if you put a topic, if you search for a topic in Answer the Public, it gives you all the related questions like why, who, where, when, what, how, which, everything. So you can see all the questions here. How a product reviewer for Amazon, how to become a product reviewer on YouTube, on Instagram and stuff like that. So you can copy all these questions and add to your page with FAQ schema. Remember not to just to use the questions, you have to give the best answers as well. That gives you more probability to be listed in the FAQ snippets. Another tool we are going to see here is SEMrush tool. This is another premium keyword tool here. Again, I have put my topic here, and it gives me all the related keywords. You can see with the keyword volume, trend, difficulty and similar. You can use any of these tools, but find the best questions and give the best answers with FAQ schema. That's what will get you listed in FAQ snippets. I've covered this topic very clearly. If you have any questions, you can put it down in the comment section. Also, if you already added FAQ schema to your blog post or page, you can put down your link in the comment section. So please do like and subscribe to get more good content like this, and see you. Thank you. Bye.